Hello, so today I'll be doing a Bcr facial using Bcr Premium as well as Herbalife products. So first what I do is I turn on the Bcr Premium. Once it goes to the main page, I will select Beauty. So for this client, we will be focusing on her skin. So we move towards the bottom and we will find the skin channel. However, we are not going to be using the one with the H because this is for the hand electrode. So we'll be using the one under skin. So this is where I will be placing the pads on the client later. So now I'll be putting the pads based on the Bcr Premium's diagram. As seen on the Bcr Premium screen, currently the gel pads are placed directly on the client's skin. However, if you notice, some of the pads are falling off, and using these pads on the skin can be a little bit uncomfortable for the client. The reason for why these can be uncomfortable and fall off easily is because the skin is naturally oily, and this is what causes my pads to fall off. So to solve this issue of my gel pads constantly coming out, I'll be using a mask from Herbalife. This will be placed on top of my client's face, on top of the gel pads. What this does is it will leave a cooling effect on my client while the treatment is running, as well as it will keep the pads in place and prevent them from falling during the duration of the treatment. Since the mask will be placed on top of the gel pads, it will not interfere with the treatment at all, and the gel pads will continue to put the treatment through her face, helping her skin. So this is the mask that I'll be using over the gel pads. This is the vitamin mask from Herbalife Nutrition. It has a lot of vitamins as well as nutrients that are very beneficial for the skin. Now I have just applied the pads, and now I will press the start button to start the treatment. The treatment is a total of 31 minutes. This is how long the patient will be with the mask and gel pads for. And now we will leave her like this for the next 30 minutes while the treatment is going on. The mask that we use has a lot of beneficial nutrients for the skin, and this will help her in having a clearer complexion. So now the treatment is over, the 31 minutes is done. I will now be removing the face mask as well as the gel pads from her face. So for the second part of the treatment, since I will be using the handheld props, I will once again go back to the beauty function, but this time I have to use the ones that have the H at the side. So in this case, we will be focusing on face lifting. So I will choose the face lifting function, but make sure you choose the one with H and not the one without H. So I will press this. As you can see, this is the hand electrode function. So once I am done with the channel, I will press start, and I will have to wait for 30 seconds before the treatment begins. Once the 30 seconds is done, I will start using the electrodes on the client's face. So this is the lubricant that I'll be using. So the way that we get this lubricant is once we remove the face mask from the packet, we can squeeze the packet and the remaining lubricant from the packet into the bowl. And this is what I'll be using to glide smoothly across the client's face. So now I'll be using the double-headed probe to slowly apply it on her face. So this is some things that you need to take note when using a double-headed probe. Always make sure both the balls are touching the face, because if it doesn't touch, the connection is disrupted and no benefits will be occurring. So first, I will be using the gel that is from my face mask as a lubricant, and this is how I will use the treatment. First, I will do 8 strokes from her chin to her upper cheek. So I'll do this 8 times. After that, I will focus on her cheek and I will do this 8 times. After that, I will move towards her forehead and I'll do 8 times. And the last one is I'll do a full stroke, 8 times as well. Once I'm done with one side, I'll move on to the other side. The main aim is to complete this entire thing in a total of 15 minutes, focusing on 8.5 minutes on each side. So sometimes when using the double-headed probe, it will be very difficult to reach certain small areas. For that, we will switch it to the dual probes. So what this does is that we can focus on more smaller areas such as the nose, as well as certain scar areas. If not, we can always use a double-headed probe for other things. So now I'm done with the facial. I have already used the Bcr Premium on her face, one using the gel pads, and second using the electrodes. Now I'll be moving on to using products for the final part of the facial. So once the treatment is done, I'll be using 3 products. The first product that I'll be using is the herbal toner. So this will be used on the face and I'll spray it 2 times. The second product that I'll be using is the line minimizing serum. This I will apply on the face 4 times, one on the forehead, the chin, and the 2 cheeks, and I'll spread it around. The last product that I'll be using will be the moisturizing serum with SPF 30. This also I'll be using on the face with 4 pumps, one on the forehead, the chin, and the 2 cheeks, and then I will rub it around accordingly. For the first part, I'll be using the energizing herbal toner. For the second part, I'll be using the line minimizing serum. Then finally, I'll be using the protective SPF 30. So right now, I have completed all parts of the Bcr Premium as well as the products from Herbalife, and now the treatment is done.